Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. It has been a super long time since I've come out with some type of a video for you guys, so I figured why not come out with something new today. And what I wanted to show you guys today is a quick install video of a new phone mount that I have received from ProClip USA. Okay, we are all done. I just have positioned the phone mount how I want. Go ahead and get my phone put in here. Okay, so I obviously have to tighten my phone mount up a bit because that's annoying. And there we go. Phone is mounted. I can even get a charging cable put right over to it. Charge up my phone if I need to. Amazing. I am so stoked for this. Thank you so much, ProClip USA. I absolutely love this phone mount already.